Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back. Once again I am here with another topic related to probability, and today I am going to discuss with you the probability of cards. Cards, which you all are aware, playing cards. So today I am going to give you an introduction related to probability of the cards, and along with that we will discuss some examples related to it. So very first, if we discuss about cards, you must be knowing that we have total 52 cards. In a pack of card, we have how many numbers of card? 52 cards. These 52 cards are subdivided into two colors. One is your red color and second is the black color. Red and black color. Okay, now regarding these colors, if we talk about these colors, so can you tell me that what will be the number of these colors? Of course, so we will have 26 cards of red color and 26 cards of black color. Now the story of card doesn't end here. We have some more. Yes, these red cards and these black cards are again subdivided into different shapes. Different shapes. Very first, the red card is subdivided into two shapes. One is the shape of a heart and second is the shape of a diamond. This is the shape of the diamond. I'll write the names. So this is the shape of a heart shape and diamond shape. Similarly, in black color, again we have two shapes. One is the shape of a spade like this, and another is the shape of a club. So what are these two? This is called spade and this is our club. So what will be the number of these four cards? Yes, 13 cards of heart, 13 cards of diamond, 13 cards of spade and 13 cards of club. So can you add this? 13 plus 13 will give you 26 cards. 13 plus 13 gives you 26 cards, and this 26 plus 26 is making up the complete pack of cards, which is 52 playing cards. Now what are these 13 cards subdivided into? Yes, so let us discuss about them one by one. In the card of heart, that is the red color heart shape, the first card is of an ace, second of a king, third is of a queen, then a jack, after that 10, a card of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. So these are the cards. These are the 13 cards. You can count them up: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Same number of cards. Similarly, we have the ace, the king, queen, jack, number of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3 and 2. Same in the spade and same in the club. So this is the story of the cards. Now there are some more things which is important in this. Very first, king, queen and jack. These are also called face cards. These are also called face cards. Face card because there is a face drawn on these cards. There are faces on these three cards, so that is why in mathematical term we use them as face card also. So if there you'll find any problem related to face card, that means it is very obvious that they are asking about these three cards: card of king, queen and jack. At the same time, these cards are called number cards. Number cards. King, queen, jack, they are face card, and these cards, since there is only number written on this shape, these cards, there is no face, so that is why these are called number cards. Similarly, in the group of diamond also we have face card and number card. Same is in the spade and club also. So this is the story of cards. So students, let us take an example related to playing cards, or you can say the probability of cards. So the question here is, a card is drawn from at random from a well shuffled playing cards. So we have taken a pack of complete 52 cards, and there is one card drawn one by one from the pack of the card. Find the probability of getting first a card of spade, second an ace, third a king or a queen, and last part, D part, a red card. So what we want is the card of spade, an ace, a king or a queen, and a red cards. So let us start the solution. So for the solution, very first let us start what is the total outcomes here. So what will be the total number of outcomes? What will be the total number of outcomes? Yes, 52 cards means 52 outcomes. There can be 52 outcomes, so the total number of outcomes is 52. Now, solving up the first part, in which we want card of spade. Card of spade. So as we have already discussed that how many spade cards are there? Spade cards. Spade card which is of this shape. This is the spade card. So there are 13 cards. So number of cards of spade is 13. So let us find the probability of getting a spade card. So probability of a spade card is favorable outcome, which is 13, upon total outcome 52. Simplifying here, 13 ones are 13 fours are. So the probability of getting a spade is 1 upon 4. Second part, in which it is asked that we need an ace. What we want is an ace. So if we need a ace, so there are how many aces are there? There are 4 aces. One ace of diamond, another ace of heart, third the spade, and fourth is the club. So we have one ace card in all the 4 groups. So what is the number of ace cards? So number of ace cards is 4. So let us find the probability of getting an ace. So probability of getting an ace is favorable outcome 4 upon total outcome 52. Simplifying here, you will get 1 upon 13. So the probability of getting an ace is 1 upon 13. Coming to the third part, C part, in which it is asked that we need a king or a queen. That means we are satisfied with both the results, whether we get a king or a queen. So a king or a queen. So let us find the number of kings very first. So how many king cards are there? There are 4 cards of king in every shape: diamond, heart, spade, and club. Similarly, how many cards of queen? So how many cards of queens? Again 4. So what is the total number of a king or a queen? A king or a queen card is 4 plus 4, that is 8. That means total number of king or queen card is 8. So let us find its probability now. So probability of a king or a queen is favorable outcome 8, total number of outcomes 52. Simplifying here, 4 2s are and 4 13s are. So the probability of getting a king or a queen is 2 upon 13. Now the last part, in which it is asked that we need a red card, a red color card. So what is the number of red color card in a well shuffled playing card? So number of red cards. Yes, we have 26 cards of red color. So since we have 26 color of red cards, so that means the favorable outcome is 26. So let us find the probability of getting a red card. So the probability of getting a red card, favorable outcome 26 upon total outcome 52. 26 ones are, 26 twos are. So the probability of getting a red card is 1 upon 2. So this is how you can solve a question related to playing cards, and there are many other things being asked. They may ask you any number, any other jack or any other card, neither this nor that. So that we have already discussed in our previous lessons also. So I hope this topic is now clear to you all and you will cope up with the chapter probability. Thank you.